How to create the bookmark folder in your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about how you can create the multiple folder. Also I'm going to show you the some features that you can use, and you can simply add your website or multiple website in one folder. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open first Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. Sorry. So here you can see this is my all bookmark, which is shows my bookmark Chrome toolbar. So how you can, if in your case there is a no bookmark tool show on your Chrome bar, so I will show you how you can do this. So first let me open the bookmark. Just click on three dot option, go to the bookmark. So this option you can use to show the all your bookmark on your top or toolbar. Okay, so how you can create a folder? Go to the book manager, and this is my all folder, you can see. Okay, you can add the new folder from here. Okay, so first select the folder where you want to create the folder. So I have two main folder, which is bookmark and other bookmarks. Okay, so I want to create the folder under other bookmarks. So I just select the bookmark, other bookmark option. Need to go in this sidebar option, three dot option, go to the add new tab and give the your folder name. So I just give the name like my all social profile. I just select OK. You can see under this folder another folder has been created. Now if I open the Twitter here, Twitter or say LinkedIn, and okay, and if I open any like okay YouTube, so I have opened 4 folders, so I can simply add one by one. Just select the tab which you want to add, and you can click on the star button. Just select the tab and you can click on the star button, and now this is by default name will come up. You can change the name, and now you can select the folder from here. So I just create this one, my all social profiles. You can click it done. So all your this page will be added to the this folder only. Okay, so you can see this folder I has create, and this is my social pages. Okay, let me go in other bookmark. So under the other bookmark I have just add this. Okay, this is my work folder or website under the bookmark, and this is all website and folder under the other bookmark. So we had created the folder under the other bookmark, so yeah, the site has been added here. Okay, so now I will show you how you can add the multiple tabs in the one folder. So just open the all folder which you want to add. Now just navigate your cursor on the blank space after the last tab. Just right click on it and go to the click on the bookmark all tabs. Now here we have created this folder. Just select the folder that you want to add. Okay, give the name. I select the folder and just click save. So under the others you can see I have created this folder and all tab has been saved here. Okay, so that is how you can create bookmark folder, or you can save the website on this into this. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.